Hello everyone, this is Jas sir. I hope that you must have been doing great in your life to get accomplishment as soon as possible. So basically the main purpose of making this video is to motivate those students who belong to village people, who belong to rural areas. And basically sometimes they get demotivated while learning English and suddenly they given up. And they give up and they can't learn English due to some reason. So basically today in this video that's what I am going to tell you, that there is a particular story which is very inspirational and which is very motivational story which will definitely inspire you to learn English a lot. Basically there was a boy who belongs to Bihar, and after completing his graduation he wanted to get a job, and after that his mom said to him that you should go any another educated places to gain good education in your life and to get a good job in your life. After that he went to Delhi and he started searching job hither and thither, but he was unable to find any particular job because he did not know that how to speak in English. So everybody was giving him rejection everywhere he was getting failure, and suddenly after that he went to a office, and after that he sat on the chair, and all the people started asking him questions in English regarding English, that tell me about yourself, where do you belong, where is your accommodation, what's your qualification. So he couldn't express his feelings due to his lack of confidence, because he didn't used to know how to speak in English. So many people have criticized him on the basis of his English communication skill, and he couldn't speak any words, even one words. So after that he felt very bad and he was feeling very inappropriate. After that he went to a hotel and he took a newspaper and he started reading the newspaper very loudly. And the moment he started reading the newspaper loudly, and all the people all the job people and many people who were working over there, and they began to laugh a lot at him because he was doing such kind of activities in front of all the people who were living over there. But he didn't feel shy, he didn't feel embarrassment, he didn't feel ashamed. Whatever he was doing, and he kept on doing continuously, thoroughly, to improve himself. And he used to know that one day he will definitely get his accomplishment, whatever he want to achieve. So after that the thing which he used to do every day and on a daily basis he used to read newspaper, he kept on practicing. But even then he was getting some improvement in his English. But after that he decided to visit somewhere to improve himself a lot and to get a better education. So he started searching a particular mentor who can guide him to learn English. So he went to Mukherjee Nagar in Delhi. That is very like a famous place, okay, where all the educated people comes. So he went there, and after that he met a teacher who used to teach English in Delhi over there, and that ma'am actually basically she was a ma'am, and she started to ask a lot of questions from him, that where are you from, and just tell me something, can you tell me about yourself, can you say something in English. She asked similar question whatever she was being asked from another places. So he couldn't express his feelings at all, and he kept on just standing in front of them and just he was showing his face. But after that he felt very bad, and he decided to learn English at that time. And she said, okay, I am definitely ready to teach you English, but actually provided that you will have to work hard along with me and you will have to work with me, then after that you will be able to learn English. So he said that whatever you would give me the assignment, I will definitely complete it completely, and whatever you will give me the work, I am ready to do whatever the work will be given by you. So all the activities were being done by him, and he started practicing, and he was being taught English very nicely by her, and she was actually teaching for like basic grammar, vocabulary, and tenses, passive and models. These are basic topic which he was being taught by her madam. and basically she was teaching most important structures, constructions, and the way he can speak in English very easily, and the way he can learn a lot, and the way he can improve himself, he can get more and more improvement himself, so that he will be able to get accomplishment, and he will be able to do a job anywhere, he will be able to speak something or the other. So he said that I am ready to do whatever you will give me, and he started practicing himself. After improving himself, his communication skills keeps on improving day by day, and he achieved his skill whatever he wanted to, and he started to speak very fluent English, and wherever he used to go he was being saluted by people everywhere, and the task has been done by him at that time, and he was speaking very nicely English, and all were very impressed. His mom dad were very proud of him, and they were feeling very grateful that what amazing work you have done. And after that he started working in a big company as well, like TCS and Jimpact company, and so many like companies, and where he used to train all the directors of that company, all the CEOs he used to train. He used to teach them how they can improve their interpersonal skills, their communication skills, their English speaking skills, their soft skills. He used to train a lot of people in the future, and all have given him lot of appreciation. And after that he has become a famous well-known writer as well. After that he started writing English book, which was very famous around the world, and which got a lot of success which got, and his books, and basically he has written a novel at that time, and he has got all the success in his life and his popularity. So you can imagine guys, the boy who didn't used to know how to speak English even word, but he became a writer, author and teacher in English especially, and he started training a lot of people around the companies, all the biggest companies. He got an opportunity to get a job, and after that his life was really awesome, and he kept on, even then he didn't give up. Even then he didn't give up, and he got all the opportunities, and he started teaching to another students to motivate another students, so that they will not look down upon themselves. So it was the story guys, and I hope that you must have learned something through this video, and you will definitely apply in yourself whatever that boy has applied in his life to change his life. So at the conclusion of this story is that no matter how bad situation you are in right now, but you don't have to give up, and you don't have to see the circumstances, you don't have to think about consequences. Ended up everything will be all right. Just you have to start working in yourself, you have to start improving yourself, then one day everything will be all right. Whatever happens for the best. So it was the video today guys, and I hope that you must have inspired yourself, you must have got more and more motivation through this video. So if you like this video, so make sure to share this video to your friends, so that they will also be motivated themselves, and they can never give up, and they will learn English. And my main purpose is that I want to teach more and more students around the village people who belong to village people, and they are unable to get any opportunity to in this kind of prestigious institutions in city areas. So thank you so much for watching my video guys, and have a great day. Keep learning and keep growing. So bye guys.